Corey here, back in the old 2004 Mustang. Gonna go try and see what Bill's up to with old Brittany. From what I've heard, Bill hasn't really touched it since I gave it to him. The truck has had a lot of work done to it when I had it, so that includes a new spark box, kind of a tune-up on the carburetor. Not too bad, not too crazy, but the carburetor is a little junky, but that's only because it caught fire and pretty much cooked everything around it and probably itself. So we're just gonna go see how that goes. So for now, if I could ever find a good spot, because every time I put you guys up there, you always have to look at my windshield wiper. It's not like I can just stick my windshield wipers out and call it good. But, yeah, that's a big old truck. Let's see, it's an American Force truck around town. But who knows? I'll probably get a different setup before too long. If I want to participate in a bunch of car shows, I'm going to need some obviously new materials. Nothing too crazy going on, just going to see Bill. So once I get around this bend here, I'll put you guys back up there. Hopefully y'all can enjoy the ride. Bends around. Yikes! That dash is hot. I don't know if some of you can tell or not, but it's pretty nice out here in small town Ottawa. It's actually not that small anymore. But I don't know if Bill's gonna be home or not, but we're gonna do our best to see if he is. If he's not, oh well. But yep, the Dodge has been running pretty good. Not to mention the projects, some other things in the works going on. A little update on Churchill. He bought a 98 Mitsubishi Eclipse, so there's that going for him. It's just a 5-speed manual, which isn't too bad. But usually things have gone a little smoother with, well, technically I couldn't have asked for a smoother revival. I mean, sure, the carburetor on the Dodge still needs to go, as you saw in the last video that I just posted. The Dodge definitely has its own set of unique struggles, but it's not like it's 100% awful. But after all, you can't win. You win some, you lose some. You have some good days, you have some bad days. What is going on here? Policeman. Looks like maybe somebody crashed or something. Yikes. He wasn't in handcuffs, I didn't think. Either way, it didn't look like a good scenario to be in. Oh well. There's nothing I can really do about it. Everything's real real warm in the old Mustang here. Holy cow. But, windows back down. Hopefully y'all enjoy the ride. Now, before I forget, I did want to show you guys some things on this route to go see Bill. There's some obvious good sides to living in a small, rural area, such as those beauties. You'll see them here. Yep. I think I talked to that. I think that might be a 55 or a 60 Chevy truck. And he's got some sort of a station light in there too. Yikes, there we go. But he drives that 55 Chevy everywhere he goes. Well, not everywhere. He has a newer vehicle to get him into town. But that he takes into town for festivals, car shows, you name it. He's out and about. I wanted to buy it off him because I like old cars, but it's not for sale, and neither is that or the other one, but oh well. So sit back, enjoy the ride. Bill's garage here.
What's up?
We got.
No, I was planning on taking away this bed, seeing if I could work with the frame and get 2 wheels back here. So
Like a dually?
So it'd be 6 wheels.
Oh Lord.
So
You heard it here first, folks. This boy's going for a 6-wheel Ford F-150 from 1979. This thing definitely has the horsepower. Not as it says.
Down, peanut gray, and black. Either matte or glossy.
What are you gonna call it?
Haven't had a name.
Well, it is yours now, so you kind of need a name for it.
I was gonna ask you about the title because there's whiteout on the title.
Huh?
Yeah, there's whiteout on the title.
Restore the AC in this thing, or are you gonna do it like we do? No AC, AC's for pussies.
Knowing my girlfriend, she's gonna want me to have AC.
Bruh, that's what these are for. These are AC. This is an AC unit. You don't need that fancy cold blowing garbage. Come on now.
I don't know. Something.
We'll figure it out.
I don't know. I've been about it. They said they somehow, as much as I worked on the fucking Crown Vic, I'd expect it to.
For those of you who don't know, Dean is our friend. He built a modded out Crown Vic, like everybody else. Hey, if he goes drag racing, I'll come along. I'll bring the Mustang.
Guarantee he'll smoke you.
I'm not saying I'm gonna win. I said I'd come along.
6 speed.
Oh well, 6 speeds.
That's crazy.
I'll throw a couple turbos in the old Mustang.
Let's put a turbo on the 5.0.
Put a turbo.
Let's put a turbo.
In
Twin
this.
turbo. Why not?
Ambitious. 6 wheels, twin turbo.
See how it goes.
Oh lord. The plans for this truck. The things I never thought. I just wanted to restore and put it back on the road. Boy wants to change out everything. She's trying to make this like a semi.
I don't know. There is going to be a small lift on it. Like a very slight.
And there is?
Yeah.
So what I'm hearing is you're gonna put an extra axle back here, right?
3 inches.
So you're gonna have a custom bed that has instead of fender flare. It's got 2.
I'm still.
Oh boy.
Changing the tires and putting on tires.
The tires on it have decent tread left on them. Run them till they die, or till they blow out like the Dodge. But I just released a new video on it.
I say, I heard you try selling it to Ethan for what, $3,000, he said?
$250.
How much did you buy it for?
$2.2.
That's not bad.
It's not in bad shape for what we bought it for, and it runs and drives. This thing used to, and then we got it to drive in reverse, and it caught fire. But
like I said, all this, put all new in, and then the dash is gonna get redone. So we're gonna take that whole dash out and then put something new in.
also,
We're gonna keep it classic with the dash, but it's gonna be different. I'm actually gonna have an ignition switch.
unlike my,
Right next to bullshit, yeah.
and if you haven't noticed, Bill and his father are a bit of
Rambler's gone.
Wait, what?
It's up at the mechanic shop.
You moved the Rambler out of here, but not this thing?
This thing's nice. You take it to
If he can make it run and drive, that's all you need, and then you
He
can
can make anything run and drive.
made it run, so it can't be that hard.
He has like 80 Supras.
That's too many.
They're all just sitting in storage. And like he has a bunch of Skylines. He's Asian, so he's.
That's a little racist, but anyways. He
He also has a 70 Chevelle.
just like you've got whatever that, the Nova back here, huh? This is Bill's other project. The other car. It obviously needs work. It starts though, compared to the Ford.
See, the only thing wrong with this is the transmission.
Yep.
It's getting new headers.
Bunch of new stuff going on down over at the old billiards.
That's tough. Do I put 10 grand into this or do I put 10 grand into that?
You wanted a truck. That.
I want
And we finally got the tailgate to actually lock. No, it is locked. It's locked. It just needs a new hinge over there.
This is going back to the junkyard.
So if anything, I'll take the tailgate then.
I'm keeping this though, so anything above this line is gonna be black. Everything below this line is gonna be gray.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
As you can tell, we had. It hasn't really changed much since it got out
It's
here.
getting a new bed sheet.
I mean, the bench seat's it's in mint condition, minty.
New bench sheet, new floorboards. I might keep this.
They're pretty solid. I don't know why you get rid of them in the first place.
I think the frame's good. It's just
The frame is good. It's just
everything on the frame.
the bed is shot. The cab is in okay shape minus the floorboard.
You don't see these.
I mean, yeah. The mirrors. Wasps are out today. Oh yeah, it's just like, oh, home, big wasp. No, this thing can kill you. That didn't work. Yeah, that's the Dodge, the Ford. Oh, look, it's your other car.
Yeah, I'll let that one die. That one deserves to die.
And then you've got their Mitsubishi 3000 GT.
That's going next, too.
So, wait a minute, you driving them up or are you towing them up there?
Yeah, we just
Because I
better drive them back.
was going to say, this one has no brakes, and there is no way that thing's making it up to Chicago.
Well, all this one needs is new brake lines and a paint job.
Yeah, but brake lines are a big job.
And the new hood. We got a new hood for it. But we have to make sure, because there's something wrong with the inside where it doesn't align right.
It's probably the hinges.
Well, if my sister wasn't a retard and raced with it, the hood would never have a problem. But
Hey, it's a fast car. You want to race? Come on, tell me if you didn't own this, you would not
I'd
race
race
it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'd hot rod it all I want, but still,
At least
you.
you, at least you know how to take care of it.
That's what I said. I don't know why he won't give it to me now. The only one that'll take care of it.
I think he's just afraid that he'll hot rod it a little too much and then end up blowing everything.
Probably. I don't know. We shall.
Hopefully. Well, it's been an exciting adventure looking at what Bill's been working on, so tune in next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side.